Okay, so I started with this wood panel board that I got from Walmart for about $4.49, and using some dried thyme from Wise Owl Paint, I covered the entire board. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And I put that aside. I found these unfinished wood flower pots, I believe from AC Moore, but I've seen similar at Michael's. And I painted those in the dried thyme as well. There are so many nice spring colors that you can choose to paint your project. I just love this dried thyme. Now, once those were pretty much covered, I set them aside. And I had found these laminated canvas sheets. They came 3 in a pack from Walmart. And I took one of the Fresh Flower Market stencils that we had, and I placed it on top of the canvas sheet. And once I had it in place, I took some tape and went around the edges to hold it down and to also cover the canvas. Using a foam roller, I took a very small amount of paint and I rolled on top of the stencil. This color is chocolate from Wise Owl Paint. And I removed the tape and lifted the stencil. I then laid the canvas sheet on top of my paneled board, and using these decorative pins, I nailed them into the top right and left corners. I took my flower pots and I put a hole in the center using a drill bit. And then I secured each flower pot to the bottom of my paneled board using a screw. I started with one pot on the outer left, and I used the drill gun to just kind of get it started, but I felt a screwdriver worked fine. And then I put my second pot on the outer right side. And then the third pot I put in between those two. Now you really want to make sure you pre-drill. It makes it much easier. And then I just had some flowers laying around and I trimmed them to the correct length so that they fit inside the pot, but so they were not covering the stencil. And I added some jute to the top, and now I have this cute floral decor. And I really like these canvas sheets. I think the stencil turned out really nicely on it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Other tutorials can be found on our YouTube and paint products over on chalkitupfancy.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to pass it along. Have a great day.